6 minus 3 equals 3. And here we have 6 minus 2, which equals 4. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 6 gives us 18. So 6 minus 18, then minus 2. Now we have two subtraction, and we have to work from left to right. So first 6 minus 18, which equals negative 12. So negative 12 minus 2 is just negative 14. And this is our final answer to this problem.